Composite and inverse functions. Composite functions. A composite function is a function that is applied to the output of another function. A composite function is denoted by the symbol f of g of x. If you enter a number into f of g of x, enter the number into g of x, then input the result of g of x into f of x. Examination tips. Always check that you are using the functions in the correct order. Worked example of composite function. F of x is equal to 7 minus 2x, g of x is equal to 10 over x where x is not 0, h of x is 27 raised to power x. Find f of minus 3. To find f of minus 3, replace x with minus 3 in f of x to find f of minus 3. So f of minus 3 equals 7 minus 2 into minus 3. 7 plus 6 equals 13. F of minus 3 is equal to 13. Worked example. Now find hg of 30. To work out a composite function, start with the function closest to x, which means first of all you need to calculate g of 30. So start by substituting x equals 30 into g of x. So g of 30 equals 10 over 30 equals 1 over 3. Now substitute the result into h of x to work out h of g of 30. So hg of 30 equals h of 1 over 3. H of x is 27 raised to power x. So h of 1 over 3 is 27 raised to power 1 over 3 equals 3. Hg of 30 is equal to 3. Inverse functions. An inverse function performs the exact opposite of the function from which it was derived. If the function is denoted by f of x, then the inverse function is denoted by f inverse of x. To find the inverse function, in the function equation, replace f of x with y, replace every x by a y, solve for y, then replace y by f inverse of x. Worked example of inverse function. Find f inverse of x when f of x equals 7x minus 2. Replace f of x with y. So y equals 7x minus 2. Solve for x. It will be y plus 2 equals 7x. So x is equal to y plus 2 over 7. Interchange x and y. So y equals x plus 2 over 7. Now replace y by f inverse of x. So f inverse of x equals x plus 2 over 7. This is the inverse function when f of x equals 7x minus 2. Test yourself. Question number 1 is f of x equals 7 minus 2x, g of x equals 10 over x where x is not 0, h of x equals 27 raised to power x. Simplify, giving your answer as a single fraction. 1 over f of x plus g of x. It's a 3-mark question. Question number 2. G of x equals 8x minus 5, h of x equals x square plus 6. Show that hg of x equals 19 simplifies to 16x square minus 20x plus 3 is equal to 0. It's a 3-mark question. Use the quadratic formula to solve 16x square minus 20x plus 3 is equal to 0. Show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. It's a 4-mark question. Question number 3. f of x equals 8 minus 3x, g of x equals 10 over x plus 1 where x is not equal to negative 1, h of x equals 2 raised to power x. Find hf of 8 over 3. It's a 2-mark question. Gh of negative 2. It's a 2-mark question. G inverse of x. It's a 3-mark question. And f inverse of f of 5. It's a 1-mark question. Question number 4. f of x is equal to 4x minus 1, g of x is equal to x square, h of x is equal to 3 raised to power negative x. Show that g of 3x minus 2 minus h of minus 3 can be written as 9x square minus 12x minus 23. It's a 2-mark question. Find x when f of 61 equals h of x. It's a 2-mark question. Question number 5. f of x is equal to 7x minus 2, g of x is equal to x square plus 1, h of x is equal to 3 raised to power x. G of x equals ax raised to power 4 plus bx square plus c. Find the value of a, b and c. It's a 3-mark question. Find x when h f of x equals 81. It's a 3-mark question.